I'm Eric Burani, President of Pizzazz Floors and Interior Design. Thank you for joining today. We're going to be discussing how to fix light scratches on hardwood floors. A common problem for most hardwood floor owners are scratches. Dun dun dun! That's what we'll be talking about and fixing today is scratches on your hardwood floor. Basically, a scratch is anything that creates a contrast or breaks through the surface of the finish. On most floors, you have a nice shiny finish. Anything that scratches through that finish, showing the bare wood, is going to be considered a scratch. The first step in removing any scratch is you want to make sure that the area that you're working on is dry and clean. You do so by taking just any old rag, wiping down the area, no chemicals needed, just wiping down the area. The next step in removing any scratch from your hardwood floors is you got to go to your local home improvement store, anyone that offers paint specifically. Go down into the paint section and get a stain marker. The stain markers come in an array of different colors. Any stain marker, any furniture pen, anything that has any color to it that says stain is acceptable. Basically, on the side of the box, it's going to have a color. You're going to want to match that color on the side of the box as closely as you can to the color of your floor. If you're not exact, if you're not even close, that's okay. It's not a problem at all. Once you ascertain a similar color, then what you're going to want to do is grab the stain pen, like so, and gently apply the stain to the scratch. Once a sufficient amount of stain is applied to the scratch, take a dry and clean rag, wipe the residual. Now you can enjoy your scratch-free hardwood floors. I have just presented you with how to fix light scratches on hardwood floors.